Yeah, very good morning to all my teachers and my dear students. Today we all gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Every year, 5th September is marked as the remembrance of a great educator, leader and thinker. He is none other than Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was born on 5th September 1888 and he was the former second president of India. On his birthday, across the nation is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Why you know? To thank all the selfless services rendered by all the teachers. To thank all of them, today we are celebrating the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan as the Teachers' Day. Really, who is your first teacher means your father and your mother, your amma and your nana. The first word that comes from you is taught by your mother. And later on, your father explains you what is good, what is bad to you. And later on, teacher teaches you the culture and improve you in gaining your knowledge by teaching the lessons. Teachers just enlighten the path of knowledge, but you are the students who should make the world a better place. I wish all of you to be such students. Yes, you will be? Yes. Yes, you are going to make the world a better place? Yes. Yes. There will be some good times and bad times. We should remember sometimes the past also. During pandemics, all the alphabet teachers has done the teaching. They did not stop the teaching. Even suffering during the severe pandemics also, myself and my teachers has taught the students through various virtual platforms. You know very well. Online classes we have taken. I am really grateful to all those teachers, those who supported us and showing that much care and loving towards the students by taking the classes. From this, what we should remember is nothing is permanent. Now you people are coming to the school and learning? Yes! But during the pandemic times you are staying at home, you are learning or not? Through online. Who taught you at that time? Teachers, right? Yes, nothing is permanent, Nana. So, good times, bad times are not permanent. Even success and failures in the life are also not permanent. Both are not permanent. But always, you should be very strong and stable. You should be always strong and stable. Even though it is success or failure. Okay? And teachers will not only teach you how to aim your success, but also will teach you how to withstand, how to accept the failures with courage. How to accept the failures with courage. That also your teachers will teach you. Yes? Yes. All the teachers are supporting you? Yes. Yes. Here, I want to say a small thing that many working people generally use nowadays, frequently they are using a word, stress, stress, stress. Why I am saying is, the reason is, most of the people think that they are doing a stressful job and teacher's job is simple. Now, I'll tell you whether the job is simple or difficult. A teacher's task is what? Teaching. A teacher's task is teaching. For teaching simply, she will come and teach? No. First of all, the teacher should understand the curriculum of that particular class. Second thing is lesson planning. She has to plan the lesson. The teacher has to come and explain you in the class means she has to plan the lesson, which topic she has to teach you in the class. After that, she has to deliver, the teacher has to deliver the lesson effectively. If the teacher is coming in the class and this, that means you will understand.
No.
Effectively, the teacher has to teach in the class. Then only you people will understand. Yes? And the fourth one is assessing the students' progress. How you people are doing your job correctly, listening to the classes, and what are the marks you are securing, how your standards are there in the class, that she has to assess the students' report. And encouraging the students. Suppose if you are a little bit down in your studies or in any subject, your teacher is encouraging you or not?
Yes.
Yes, she is again explaining you the topic again and making you to learn that topic perfectly. Yes? Yes. And next, supporting the student emotionally. All the time, all the children will not be happy. Sometimes they may be unhappy also. At that time, the teacher wants the child to be happy and listen to the class and make the child to be happy. So at that time, all the teachers will support the students emotionally. They'll console them and they'll make them to pay concentration in the class. And finally, communicating with the parents. So, all this are done by a real teacher. A real teacher will perform all these tasks in the teaching. So, by this I want to say how great the teacher job is, and I'm always proud to be a teacher, and all the best to my students, and we will be always with you in your bright future. And I can say proudly that the teachers will be definitely